PPR Welding Machine RGQ63. The outer layer is plastic powder, weighing 3.8 kilograms. Including PPR machine die has special use table clamps, wrench, and bottles, U-tap support. It has 6 die heads, and the external coating brand is Dakin from Japan. The external coating material is Teflon, which is anti-stick. Die head processing follow. Professionals polish every process. The heating plate coating material is Teflon, and the thickness up to 2 mm. The handle material is nylon, good electrical insulation. The special table clamp is made of iron and can be fixed to the table. Wire length is 1.5 square, European standard wire, roller material, black replaceable. Tools, wrenches, and bolts.